Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at where I am today. Oh my god, I'm in Chandigarh and it's so beautiful. Hi to all my friends out there who are in Chandigarh. Your city is gorgeous. I didn't get to see all of it, but I'm at the Oberoi Sukh Villas right now and I'm with the brand called Aveda. We're on a brand trip. Most of the bloggers are here as well and it's been so much fun. Today is the last day and tomorrow we fly out. So I had some time to get ready before high tea and dinner and stuff like that, so I thought why not just put on some makeup, because the entire day I was like without makeup. It was amazing. So I'm just gonna talk you through the event. I also have a vlog coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. Hopefully I did a good job. So yeah, we'll just get ready and I'm gonna continue talking to you guys, telling you what the brand is about. So this is my room, by the way. It's a villa. You will see in the vlog. You'll see everything there because it is too huge. I have my own private pool and my own private room. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so that's the pool right there. It's very difficult to see right now because it's too bright, but it's an amazing pool. We've seen turkeys and doves and ducks and it's such a nice place surrounded by nature. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to do a very light get ready with me. I have my makeup pouch here. I just grabbed some, I just carried very basic products with me. Not basic, but minimalist. I'm gonna take the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation, Photo Finish primer, and I'm just gonna prep my skin. Man, it's been just an amazing 2 whole days with Aveda. It is so beautiful here, and I'm just so much at peace. All of us are so just happy here because they're teaching us about nature. They're teaching us about all different things the brand is made of. So they're 90% made out of natural ingredients, and it is so 98%, sorry, and it is so like natural and smells so amazing. So all the dinners and lunches we're eating have like the ingredients that the shampoos and conditioners and the products are basically made of. We had dinner made from those ingredients. Do you understand? So there's like a rosemary and mint body wash by Aveda. So yesterday we had a dish that had rosemary in it. So they curated like a dinner menu which had all the ingredients that their product has, which I thought was really cool. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution stick foundation and I'm just going to put that on my skin. I hope I can get this out really soon, this tutorial, because I'm gonna put some, I'm so dry. I've been feeling so dry lately. I'm gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on the parts where it's left. Most of you have been asking me what I have done to my skin and how come my skin is so nice. It's because of the cleanup. The cleanup has been a very crucial like step in my life, because without the cleanup my skin is just horrific. So I will leave the details of where I go to. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that like 100 times already, but yeah, I'm just gonna put a light wash of foundation. I have been feeling dry. I just have dry skin generally, so by the way, I took my Makeup Forever foundation in Y315. If I missed it, I'm gonna take my same concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, and I'm just going to put some under my eye. Going in with my Fit Me concealer, and I'm just gonna put a dab of that to brighten. I'm just gonna lightly dust some powder all over my face. For my brows, I'm taking the Lakme and Kareena Kapoor Khan Brow Definer in the shade Espresso. Alright guys, so for bronzer, I'm taking the same bronzer, the Physicians Formula. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula to sort of contour my nose. I can hear just like water, like the fountains, and I can hear all amazing sounds outside. I woke up with the sound of a bird and it was outside my window, and Ashna woke up with the sight of a peacock on her, like outside her door. Like a peacock was right there next to the balcony. It was so amazing. If you all saw her stories, it's just so beautiful here, man. I can't believe If you guys are like getting married and have a little budget to splurge in India, dude, you need to come to the Xoxo villas. I don't know anywhere else you should go to. It is so beautiful. It's detoxing and there are spas available, like all sorts of wellness and like nature. And if you're that kind of a person, if you and your fiance are like that, this is gonna be the perfect place for you. I'm not being paid to say all of this, guys. It's just how it is. I'm not paid to talk about any of this or the brand or anything. It's just me loving the place. All right, I'm gonna use the Palladio Mosaic powder 2-in-1 blush and bronzer. This is the one right here. It's a very beautiful muted brown and mauve color, so I like it. And I'm just gonna put that as my blush and bronzer, sort of like a natural look, you know what I mean? Very natural. So today morning what we did is, I'm gonna tell you what we did and keep the conversation going. So we woke up today at 7:30. We had a yoga session, so all of us went for yoga. It was really fun and relaxing, and just like it's a part of the activities here, so it was really nice. And then we went for a forest walk. So we went like a little bit further in the forest. It's like it's surrounded with like plants and forest and like these different animals and bird life, so it's really cool. So we just went to do that, and then immediately after that there was lunch and we got back. This camera is not picking up how it's actually looking. I have another blush also. I have a problem with blush. This is the MAC Peachy Keen Sheer Tone blush. I like putting excess blush. Excess blush is my thing. Now I might look funny, but when it just all comes together. I'm using the Huda Beauty new nude palette, and this is it. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna take the color Play and Tickle, just these like basic shades right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Yesterday I did the same eye look and all of you were like going nuts, so this is what I used, this palette. I'm gonna take the shade Daydream. Look how reflective and beautiful it looks. Oh my god, that's stunning. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid, just like scatter it around. Not really. Should I just really pack it on? The color Daydream. It's like a lavender with glitter. This palette is just beautiful, man. I'm gonna take a little bit of Crave, which is like a goldeny bronze shade, and I'm gonna like top it off in the center. It looks really good. I love this palette, man. If it comes to India, grab it if it's in your budget, of course. It's like a splurge palette, you know. It's like, do I want this? You definitely do. But do I need this? You do. No, you don't. But it's a nice splurge, like for your birthday or for Christmas. Christmas is coming, so you can use that as an excuse. I think Teddy and Spanked, and just mix the two on the outer corner. Okay, I said I'm gonna go for a simple look, but I guess nah. I'm gonna take Raw over here, which is this nice, I don't even know what to call, like plum brown color. I'm just gonna smoke it up really lightly. Man, that's pigmented. Just halfway across. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm just gonna top it off. I didn't carry any falsies. I don't usually do on trips, unless like a 2-3 day trip. I don't carry any falsies because I'm assuming I just won't wear them because I'm that lazy. I'm getting lash extensions like day after tomorrow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm taking the pack BK12. It's such a bulky packaging, but I always make sure I carry it because it's so pretty. And I'm gonna take my highlighting brush, give it a sun-kissed glow. Okay, so that's all guys. For the last bit, I'm gonna take the MAC pencil in the color Soar, and the lipstick is Driver's Seat by Smashbox Cosmetics. All day, every night, any time of my life, that's the lipstick I'm wearing. This is my vibe. This is my lip color. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I just took some photos and that's why my hair has dried. But thank you so much for watching. This is my go-to makeup minus the overshadow that I did. I just do basically this. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my final outfit for the high tea. It's a nice high-waisted pant with a crop top, I guess, and this is from Shein again. Haul must have already gone up or is coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, notification bell, share it, and also comment below and come say hi guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. I said that like 100 times. Love you.